Uh-oh.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Do you know which drink provides better hydration for the body? It's not water that you might have thought of. According to study by the Scottish Medical University of St Andrews, which compared the effects of different drinks on body hydration, the researchers found that water, both plain and carbonated, quickly hydrates the body, but drinks that contain some sugar, fat, or protein provide slightly longer lasting hydration, reports CNN. So, more than water, milk can hydrate us. Professor Ronald Muchan from University of St Andrews, who also led the study, explains the important factor in hydration is the composition of the drink. For example, milk has been shown to hydrate better than water because it contains lactose, that is milk sugar, some protein and some fat, which slow down the emptying of the stomach and thus maintain hydration for longer. In addition, milk also contains sodium, which acts like a sponge and returns the water in the body, contributing to a lower amount of urine excreted. My God, that word. So yeah, now you guys know. Drink milk, not water, to stay hydrated longer. This study confirms something we've known for a long time. Electrolytes like sodium and potassium improve hydration, while energy drinks slow gastric emptying and thus urine output, said Melissa Majumdar, who was not involved in the study. Now, guys, there's also a warning. Be careful with sugary drinks. As they say, but be careful, drinks with a high sugar content, such as fruit juices and sodas, are not necessarily as effective as hydrating as drinks with a lower sugar content. It is true that they might leave the stomach more slowly due to the higher sugar concentration, but when these drinks enter the small intestines, their high sugar concentration is diluted by a psychological process called osmosis. This process pulls water from the body into the small intestines to dilute the sugars contained in those drinks. What is in the intestines, however, is outside the body and therefore does not hydrate us. Okay, I didn't know that. Fruit juices and carbonated drinks not only hydrate less well, but also contain excess sugars and calories that do not fill us up like Whole Foods warns Majumdar. I guess she's Indian or he. So, if choosing between water and sugary drink, water is always the better choice. Both your kidneys and liver depend on water to get rid of toxins from your body. Water also contributes to skin elasticity and health, so you'll be more elastic. The Elastic Man. It's the cheapest moisturizer you'll find. There you go. What about alcohol and coffee? Okay, let's go into those two. Alcohol acts as a diuretic and increases urine output. The effect on hydration, therefore, depends mainly on the total amount of fluid consumed. For example, beer causes less water loss than whiskey. So don't drink whiskey, guys, because you consume more fluid with it, explains Professor Muchan. That's the Scottish guy again. Strong alcoholic drinks dehydrate, while diluted ones do not. So beer is okay to drink. When it comes to coffee, the amount of caffeine consumed is important. A typical cup of coffee, which contains about 80 milligrams of caffeine, is about as hydrating as water. I didn't know that. According to research, however, consuming more than 300 milligrams of caffeine per day, about 2 to 4 cups of coffee, can cause a mild short-term diuretic effect. This is more common in people who rarely consume caffeine, and the effect can be mitigated by adding a little milk to your coffee, guys. So yeah, that was for this study. And yeah, I hope you found it interesting. And yeah, be sure to like, share, subscribe, guys, and stay hydrated in these hot summer months. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Big Joe out.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.